In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change search highlight color emails in Outlook. If you want certain emails to stand out more clearly in your inbox, Outlook makes that easy by letting you apply color categories. This is a helpful way to visually mark important messages so they're easier to spot later, especially when you're scanning through a busy mailbox. To begin, open Outlook and go to the Mail section. This is the main area where your inbox and email folders are displayed. Make sure you're in the correct mailbox or folder where the email you want to highlight is located. Taking a moment to confirm that now can save time, especially if you manage multiple folders. Once you're in Mail, find the email you want to mark. When you've located it, right-click directly on that message. Right-clicking opens a menu with several options related to managing that email. This menu is where you'll find the color category settings. After the menu appears, move your mouse over the Categorize option. You don't need to click it right away if it opens a side menu when you hover. Just pause there for a moment and Outlook will show the available category choices. These categories are tied to different colors, which can help you create a simple visual system for organizing messages. Next, select one of the existing colors from the list. As soon as you click a color, that category will be applied to the email. This gives the message a colored label or marker, making it much easier to identify at a glance. You can use different colors for different types of messages, such as urgent emails, follow-ups, or items you want to review later. If you don't see the exact result you expected, keep in mind that Outlook's appearance can vary slightly depending on your version or display settings, but the basic process is the same. Open Mail, right-click the message, hover over Categorize, and choose a color. This is a quick and effective way to organize your inbox without moving emails into different folders. It's especially useful if you prefer a visual method for sorting your messages while keeping everything in one place. And that's how to change the highlight color of emails in Outlook using categories.